Hello everybody. Today I'm going to talk about the Python, basically basic operation related to the basic operation which is related to the list and dictionary. So what type of operation we can do inside the list. So now we will discuss about the like a slicing and all the other things. So if you see, first we will discuss about the like we declare one list. So that is like a temperature. Temperature is equal to, we declare the three variables like 8.8, 8.8, 7.9 and 6.6, 6.7. Now I want to add one more value from here. Okay, one more value here. We want to append this some value. So how we can do that one? Like a simple, if we insert this cell below, so we want to append. So if you want to see that one, help, how we can append. So help list dot append, then you can see the details. So there is a, how you can append, there is a self and object. So it will append the object at the end of the list. So finally, if you see, we want to add, self is a just like a pointer, okay, and object we want to add. So if we write to add the some items, I will just write temperature dot append and any value, like I will take 9.4. So if you want, and again we'll write temperature, so 9.4 we can add it here. So similarly, if we see, same thing is there. And if you want to see, now I want to clear the value from this list. So how we can do? So now I'll just see help list dot clear. So basically this help method, there is no object. Okay, so if you want to clear every value from the list, we can write like a simple insert cell below, just temperature dot clear method. It is a method. Okay, so we can write that one. So now if we see temperature, then you can see there is no element inside this list. Okay, another method is there inside the list, that is called index. If you want to find the index like a 8.8, what is the index of this 8.8, what is index of a 7.9, what is index of a 6.7. So just write. So if you want to see the help about the index method, so you can just write this one, help dot list dot index. You can see there is a self, that is a pointer, value. Value means what value you want, what is index of 7.9, and start, it is by default start from 0 and end from this one. So I just want to find temperature. This is my 8.8, 7.9 and 6.7. So this is our element. So I want to find the index of suppose 7.9. So if we run that one, it is index of a 1. Why? Because it is a start, list is a start from 0 index, 0, 1 and 2. Okay. So if I want to, same thing, if I want start from 2, means I want to find the index, like here, I will just write cell below, just okay. I want to find index 7.2, 7.9, sorry, and start, it is start from suppose 2. So it is start from 2, so it will become start from 2 means 7.9 and 2. So it will give us error. Why? Because 0, 1 and 2, it will start from here. So after that it is the end. So 7.9 is not in list. So they will give this one. Now I'm going to do some exercise. If you see, we have a list. This is our list. New value is this one. I want to append a at the end of the list. So what we'll do, we'll just write simple code. If I insert this cell below, this is our list. Okay, I'll just declare this list. Okay, I want to add this new value. I want to add this new value. So what I'll do, I'll just declare this one, and then just increase. Okay, I want to add this value. So simple list one dot append and this new value. So I'll just copy this new value here and then you can find this value. So now if you want to see the list one, it will be added one new value. Okay. So now another exercise, remove the item from the list. How you can remove? So there is a simple function is there or method is there that is called remove. So I want to remove this one from the list. So I removed 1.4. This second one is already removed. Same thing, if you want to remove the three item from the list, maybe 1, 2, 3, okay, all three. So you just write list one dot remove, value is there, and they will remove the value. So finally you will get the empty list because I remove all the elements from this list. Okay, now we will see how we can access the item. So if you want to see the inside the list, what type of inbuilt methods are there, so you can just directly write dir list. So you can see these double underscore underscore add underscore underscore, these are inbuilt function. So many inbuilt functions are there, methods are there, and so we'll discuss. These are very important, like init method when you are going to go for like OOPS concept, it means object oriented concept in Pythons. So these are very important, and these are methods we can use, like append we uses, clear we uses, okay, remove we use, index we uses already. So we can use these things. So like this is our simple list, temperature. I want some item like a 4.5. So I use the inbuilt method, that is a get item. Get item. So we can just write temperature underscore underscore get item, and then we'll get that value 4.5. That is a 1, 0, 1. Okay. So you can also access by the simple the index 0, 1. So you can get that. But by default, inside the Python interpreter, it will call this method and they will giving this value. Okay. Now, if you see, complete the script so that it print out second item of the list, like this one. We have different elements are there inside the list, and there is an exercise there. So how you can write this code? Second item of the list. So 0, 1, and 2. Okay. So complete the script, and so what we'll do, print list, and we'll just write this is second 0, 1, and 2, second item. Okay. So we'll write the second item. So this one we need. So we'll just write 0, 1, 2. So 0, second item is 0, 1. Okay. So we'll get this value. What is that? Invalid. Script is a print out second item of the list. So basically list, this is a list. We want to print list dot, or just a minute, list one. Yes. Sorry, because it is a questions are there, so now it will run. Syntax error is there. Okay. So this will print our second item. Okay. Same thing, complete the script so that it print the first, third, and sixth item. First, third, and sixth item. So you can write like a list, because it is a list 2. So I'll just write list 2, and we'll write second item, means this is a first item, means 0. Then we want to print 0. Then we want to print the second item 0, 1, 2. And so third item means second item, and we'll call another one that is called a sixth item means fifth item. Okay, so they will print these all value. Again, we have to make this question as like this. So it will give us all these three value. Now, exercise third. if you see here, we have one list, that is work days: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, and weekend is a Saturday and Sunday. So append the weekend first item, this one Saturday, we have to append in our work day list. So how we'll do this one? So first, what we'll do, this is our list. Okay, this to our list. I'll just write the same thing. Okay, and then after I'll get the first list. I'll just add work day. I'll get the weekend. First one means 0. We'll access the 0 and dot append. Okay, and then we'll add this one, and finally if you want to see that one, so we'll add work days. So we added the Saturday at the end of the list. Okay, so if you see here, this simple syntax, we first extract the value of 0 index and then we append on the another list. Now we can do this slicing, list slicing in a different way. Like I want to find, suppose, fifth one. So if you see here, if we want to find the sixth one, so length of this one is a temperature. So 0, what is the length? First we declare the list. Okay, and then this is a length of list is a 5. I want from 1 to 4. So we'll declare the list, and 1 from 1 to 4 means 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it will give us 9 till 9.8. So 0, 1, 2, 3. Upper bound, it is not included here when we do this slicing. Okay, so it will give us value from 1 to 4. If you want to do the same thing in a reverse order, so just that is a reverse order. If you want from 7.9, 9.8, so we'll just do this one, nothing, then nothing, and it will reverse like that. So if we click this one, it will reverse our list. Okay, if we want from 0 to 2, 0 to 2 means 0, 1, 2. So they will not include the 2. They will fetch this 2 item, 1.2 and 4.5. So it will 1.2. If you want from 2 only, means start from 0 and it will end to 2. So they will fetch the same. We can write also the same syntax like this. Same thing if you see here, this is a temperature. Okay, I want from 3 to end. So we can write like this. We can get 3 to end, 7.9. If you see the 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. So 9.8, 7.9. So we'll get that one. Accessing the item, slicing with the negative index. So in a list, it is also negative, like -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 is there. So this is a negative index is there. Positive is 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So accessing the last item. I want to access the last item. Either you can write like this: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you write temperature and 4 index, it will get that one. Also, we can write in this way: temperature -1 will get the same thing. Okay, temperature -5 will get the first item, that is 1.2, and also accessing the last 2 item in the list, so -2, and it will be end. So last 2 item we will get. If you want to from -2 to -4, so it will go like this, same thing, -4 and -2. So -4 means -1, 2, 3, 4, -4, 4.5, 2, 2, -2. So it will come here. So same thing is there. 2 values, they not include this upper bound, and same will get that one. Same thing like here. So negative index with the list. We can also access the list with the negative indexing. Accessing the characters and slice in string. So if you see here, this is our list. Okay, now we declare the one string, that is a string is equal to hello. So string 0 means we'll get the 0, that is a H, first letter. Okay, so if you fetch, it will get first. String 0 to 3, if you want 0, 1, 2, 3. So HEL, it will get 3, upper bound it will not include. Same thing I want from the minus, will get 0. Now list 3, I want 0 means that will give us hello, first string. Okay, if I want 0 and 2, 0, 1, 2, so it will give L only. So we can access like this also, list 0 and then next only 2 items. Okay, so we'll get that one also like this. So what would be the flowing code will return? It will return like this one, 0 to 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. So upper bound not include, it will give ABC. So it will give us ABC. Same thing, which of the flowing output in CD? So CD will be 2 to 4, right? Why? Because 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4 will not include. So it will give CD. Same thing, what is the correct output of A, B, C, D, E, F? So it will be -2, means EF. Okay. So these are exercises are there. You can try yourself. Slice the list from second to fourth. Second to fourth. So we can do like this alphabet. This is our list, and from second to fourth means 0, 1. Second to fourth. So second to fourth. So it will give us B, C, D. Okay, B, C, D. Second to fourth. Okay. Another, slice the list first 3. You want, if you want to slice list first 3 item. Okay, so first 3 item means we'll just write 0 to means unknown to 3. So we'll get this answer. Okay, ABC. Same thing, slice the list last 3. We want G, F and E. So we'll write what? 0, 1, 2, 3. This is a 4. 4 to at the end. So we'll get all these things. If you want to access the dictionary, okay, so it is a similar like access the dictionary. We will just, if we want student marks, and first if you write, it will give error. Why? Because we have key and value. So we can access the dictionary with the help of a key. So if we write like Ahmad, then we will get the value is 8.2. So basically on this lecture, we discuss about the positive and negative indexes, slicing, remove functions, and all these things. So if you see, list, string, and tuples have positive index system like this one, 0, it is a 0, 1, 2, 3. These are some practice questions. You can try yourself. Okay. So thank you very much, and thank you very much.